Okay, so the assignment that I chose to do for my media activity is for a 4th grade level classroom. It's 4OA A2. It would take about 20 to 30 minutes to do. You can use a computer or a tablet to give students the direction that the Khan Academy is going to give them. One of the example problems is a division problem, but it's a word problem, which is what the standard is asking the students to understand. I would give the students the questions after showing them the video that this site offers, and I would do this only after teaching the concept already to reinforce the concept. So you would go to the website, and normally it would look like this, but over here I have this one already pulled up, and it would play the video explaining
44 points this football season.
This whole
He
thing.
scored all his points with 50-yard field goal. That's actually pretty impressive. 50, that's like close to record breaking. Even in the National Football League, I think the record's like 60 yards or something. So that's like, Blair seems like a fairly impressive individual. He scored all of his points with 50-yard field goal kicks. 50-yard field goal kicks. I'm just underlining that because I'm impressed by how far those field goals are, which are each worth 3 points. So a field goal in American football, I should clarify for those of you from other countries who think we're talking about soccer, a field goal is worth 3 points each. He played in 16 games this season. How many field goals did Blair make in each game? Assume he made the same number in each game. So this guy is an incredibly consistent field goal maker. He makes 50-yard field goals. He makes the same in every game. So let's think about how many field goals did he make in each game. So there's a couple of ways you could do this. We could first figure out, well, how many field goals did he make in the season? So he scored 144 points. He scored 144 points total. And if we divide that by 3, we divide that by the fact that a field goal gets you 3 points per field goal. So the total number of points divided by the points per field goal, this should give us the total number of field goals he had. So this right over here is going to be equal to, so 3 goes into 144. Let me do this on the side right over here. 3 goes into 144. 3 goes into, doesn't go into 1, it goes into 14 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract. 14 minus 12 is 2. Bring down a 4. 3 goes into 24 perfectly. It goes exactly 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. We have no remainder. So 144 divided by 3 is equal to 48. So all season he has kicked 48 field goals. Field goals. Now, we still haven't answered the question. How many did he make in each game? And we're assuming it's the same number in each game. So this is a total number across 16 games. To find out the average he makes in each game, we divide this by 16. So let's take 48 total field goals divided by 16 games. Divided by 16 games is going to be, well, 48 divided by 16 is 3. This is equal to 3 field goals per game. And we're done. How many field goals did he make in each game? He scored 3.
Okay, so that would be one of the videos that I would show the students, and then I would ask them to do maybe some of these problems on this website, which is Khan Academy, and I would ask them to do the word problems. Obviously, they would have enough experience to be able to do these problems somewhat on their own, or to be able to come over here to the links on the side and watch these if they needed additional help. This could also help students at home. Just an example, Liliana's using dark power crystals to raise an army of zombies. She has 5 dark power crystals. Each crystal can raise 10 zombies. So how many zombies can she raise? Well, obviously she has 5 power crystals, and each can raise 5. So you're going to take 5 and times it by 10, which equals 50. So I just did all of that, and then I would select the correct answer, and then check the answer. And then maybe I would do, if they could get 5 correct in a row, then they could be done, because they would have mastered the content already. but I just felt that the video was the best form of media for this specific standard. That's why I selected it, and that's my media activity.